Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting updates to share about Midjourney and their upcoming ventures. Let's dive right in. Big news from Midjourney starting this January. They're set to embark on training video models. This exciting development was recently unveiled by Midjourney CEO, David Holes, during an Office Our Discord session. As some of you may recall, Holes has previously hinted at Midjourney's exploration into 3D and video generation. Now, with the imminent launch of video model training, anticipation is building to see how Midjourney can leverage its mature image model to gain a qualitative edge in the realm of video generation. Interestingly, Meta has already achieved success with Emu Video, a platform built on the Emu image model. This system has outperformed other video models in user preference tests. It will be intriguing to see if Midjourney can follow a similar path to success. But that's not all. Midjourney is rolling out updates for Midjourney V6 starting next week. These updates include improved text rendering and enhanced prompt following, promising a smoother user experience. For those familiar with Midjourney V5, you'll be pleased to hear that popular features like in painting will be gradually integrated into the latest version, ensuring a seamless transition for users. There you have it, folks. Exciting times ahead for Midjourney as they dive into video model training and continue enhancing their platform with Midjourney V6 updates. Make sure to stay tuned for more as we keep you posted on the latest developments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, happy exploring!